In today's video, we're going to explore how to add a website to your X account, formerly known as Twitter. Including your website in your profile can drive traffic and give your followers a way to learn more about you or your work. Let's get started. First, launch the X app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this will allow you to make the necessary changes. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon, which is usually your profile picture or the navigation menu icon located in the top left corner. Tap on it to access your profile options. Next, tap on Profile. This will take you to your profile page where you can see all the details you've entered. Now tap on Edit Profile. This option will let you modify various parts of your profile, including your website link. After that, find the Website section and tap on it. Here you can enter the URL of your website. Be sure to double-check that the link is correct to avoid any broken connections. Once you've entered your website, take a moment to review everything. When you're satisfied with the details, tap Save at the top right corner to update your profile. And there you have it. You've successfully added your website to your X profile. This small addition can greatly enhance your online presence and make it easier for followers to connect with you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more social media tips.